Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video, or if you are new over here, then welcome to my YouTube channel DIY Home Decor. Today's video is gonna be about 8 best wall decor and nature wall decor ideas. Natural home decor comes in many forms. The most obvious is live plant, but that's just the beginning. Incorporate natural materials such as wood into your decor scheme is another solution. You can also add natural fiber, textiles, and prints inspired by nature. Whether you are updating your entire home with more natural decor or just a room or two, you will find plenty of designs inspiration in this video. These 8 unique and beautiful ideas are full of natural beauty and easy to boot. Let's move. Style number 1, playful wooden zigzag floating shelf. Need a me in your natural decor? We have got you. Floating shelves can be put to good use in just about any room of your home. This version is crafted of present wood, providing a delightful combination of wood, grain, and a stripe pattern. Place your potted plants, artwork, and other items on each shelf and enjoy the view. Style number 2, natural wood and cord hanging shelf. You know about regular shelves and floating shelves, but this is a lovely alternative to both. These shelves hang like a work of art. As a result, they take up presence like a wall hanging while providing the functionality of a shelf. The nature wood is suspended by black cord from an elegant silver ring. Arrange books, ceramics, potted plants, or anything you love on these shelves. The black wood and silver design work perfectly with the rest of your natural decor. Style number 3, the stylish way to display jewelry natural. You buy jewelry because it is beautiful, don't hide it away in a jewelry box. Turn it into an instant. These driftwood jewelry display are the powerful way to transform the collection of necklace, earrings, and bracelets into a display worthy of an art gallery. Arrange your driftwood displays to balance the length of the pieces, similar to how you would balance elements on a gallery wall. This fills out the space and keeps the arrangement symmetrically. Driftwood is a beautiful rustic medium that has a place in any home, taking design cues from nature. Style number 4, Macrame wall hanging and gallery wall. A big part of pulling off the nature look is the use of organic material and those that come from nature. Cotton, clay, ceramics, wood, and metal are all consistent with this design theme. When you combine these materials with color from nature, then the result is stunning. This macrame wall hanging is made from cotton and wood. The color is the same as the wall it hangs on, but the texture and design add depth and beauty without needing bright bold colors. It goes perfectly with a couple of simple works of art and shelf of a smile, vase, and works of art. Style number 5, amazing easy DIY Pinecone door decor. Are you a DIY newbie? Do you consider yourself design challenge? Well, then welcome to the project for you. This is a simple project that looks fancy. All you need for this decor, inspired by nature, is a few pine cones and some jute twines. Tie a bow onto the pine cones and string them at various lengths so you get a nice arrangement. Wrap the ends together into a bow at the top and hang up your creation. This could work on an interior or exterior decor. Hot tip: add some essential oil on cinnamon spray to make this aromatic. Style number 6: leaf flower branch DIY wall art. You'd be amazed at the stunning works of art you can create with a few simple elements from the outdoors. A piece like this can be made easily with a branch, some nature cord, and a few branches of dried herbs and flowers. Choose aromatic herbs and flowers like lavender and eucalyptus for some aromatic therapy benefits. A wall hanging like this would like gorgeous in a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, or anywhere. You have a small section of wall that's feeling a little empty. If you are feeling especially ambitious, you can make this functional work of art and use it to dry your live flower and herbs for a consistently changing rotation or beautiful greenery in your home. Style number 7: deep colors, nature textures, and plenty of plants. This living room is proof positive that natural surroundings can be blended perfectly with other design themes like warm industrial green non-flowering plants are the best for this type of decor. One of the keys to pulling off an indoor garden in to choose low maintenance plants that require minimal watering and partial sun. The woven baskets and ottoman are our stable node to the outdoors that help to blend the natural elements with the most structured industrial ones. Lastly, the simple tribal print rug in neutral tones add a movement and lightness to the room. Style number 8: textural stand and sunshine bedroom decor. Who wouldn't want to wake up in this bedroom every morning? The simple light colored wood, bed frame, natural fabrics, touchable texture, and a bit of leafy greenery, and they add up to a perfect combination. When you keep the color scheme this simple, then you can go crazy with the texture. Just look at this bedroom. You have got thick embroidery on the pillows and throw blanket, a woven floor pillow, a fox fur rug, a wooden floor, the cozy bedding. The simple palette keeps this bedroom simple and chic, a combo that will stand the test of time. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down below in the comments about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.